Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're doing the Spring 2019. Spring. Spring 2019 FabFitFun unboxing. FabFitFun, if you are unfamiliar, is a quarterly subscription box. They have lifestyle, beauty, home, and any other fun things that they want to fit into the category. I think I have a referral link. I'm not really sure what happens if you use it. I'll have to look. I should probably know that. Otherwise, there are a lot of influencer codes for $10 off your first box. And if I'll find some and leave those down there. Those obviously aren't mine. This box arrived the other day and I'm dying to see what's in it. You can now customize your FabFitFun box a lot more than you were able to before. Previously, it was open to, I think, select members. And now a lot more customization is available. Customization, that's very weird. Anyway, I did pick a few things, but I can't remember what actually. So let's see what I got in my FabFitFun box for spring 2019. Oh, it's all like, oh, it's all awry. Okay. Well, it usually comes wrapped. I mean, it is wrapped. Oh, okay. It is wrapped, but the, like wrapped in like tissue paper with a sticker, but that just sort of came loose. Anyway, you get a magazine that tells you all about the products that are in here, and then some of the other options that were available, and then also there's a lot of information here, different ways to use some of the products that are in there, some of the, there's some recipes in here, because there's just a lot of things in here, baby. Oh my gosh. And see what we have. Okay, so the first thing in here is just a bonus thing. This is from HelloFresh. It is $50 off your first deliveries, so $25 off your first 2 deliveries. I've used HelloFresh multiple times. I love HelloFresh. I don't get it all the time, but I do really enjoy it. What I like about HelloFresh is their menus and their recipes are very easy to follow. They aren't complex with 1 million ingredients and 75 steps. They really like HelloFresh. Anyway, so that's cool. I have got to remember to redeem that to use it because I probably will use it. Alright, the first thing is Manna Kadar Champagne Charcoal Scrub. This is incredibly heavy. This, formulated with charcoal and Dead Sea minerals, the Luxe and Gentle Body Scrub removes dirt for polished, hydrated, and refreshed skin. This retails for $24. Oh no, it smells good. It smells like champagne and charcoal. I love a body scrub. I've never used anything from Manna Kadar. I feel like this is a really expensive brand. I mean, their scrub is $24, so... Oh! The tub is clear. You can see the product. Okay. Alright, cool. That was... I don't know... That was in the little pink section down there. Oh, that was in every box. Okay. The next thing is the R&Co Acid Wash Apple Cider Vinegar Cleansing Rinse. I'm probably just way too lazy to want to use this. This is not listed on here. Oh, this must be the mystery item. Okay. There were 3 options. Some copper measuring spoons, a body lotion, or a mystery item. It says its retail value is $20 and up. That's not terribly exciting to me, but it's okay. I will use it. It's just not something that I would be super stoked about. This is another item that's in every box. This is the Dr. Brandt Needles No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. Visibly reduces the look of under eye bags and dark circles. Interesting. Looks like this. This retails for $42, and it says don't be afraid of the salmon shade. It's meant to color correct dark circles. Yeah, it's a salmon color. All I can sell is my hand lotion. I don't know why I put hand lotion on. Oh yeah, because my hands are super dry. It rubs in, you know, there's no color left or anything. This retails for $42, and this came in every box. The other thing that came in every box is the Way Leave-In Conditioner, and this came completely ensconced in plastic, which I appreciate. We're way obsessed With this multitasking leave-in conditioner, it works all day to smooth, soften, and detangle hair with moisturizing properties and enhanced heat protection. This retails for $26. I don't really use a ton of leave-in conditioners for myself or detanglers because I just use my wet brush, which is a miracle worker. But I always love a good detangler for my daughter. It just so happens that some of our favorites are super bougie, like the Dry Bar Prep Rally and the Living Proof Restore and Perfect. All very expensive ones. We are using a Suave one right now that we like. Anyway, what does this smell like? Oh, it smells like Old Lady perfume. Not Old Lady perfume. It smells like, I don't know what it smells like. It definitely has a, I would say, perfumey fragrance. The next items are things that were in certain boxes. This is the Tula Probiotic Skincare Purifying Face Cleanser. This retails for $28. This isn't an ordinary cleanser. It uses the power of probiotics to gently remove dirt, impurities, and makeup while leaving the skin balanced and clarified. I feel like I have one of these, but I haven't used it yet. I hear a lot about Tula lately. It's sealed, so I'm not going to open this one right now, but this one is obviously a full size. It's ginormous, and it retails for $28. Everything in here is full size. I don't know why I said that. The other things that might have arrived were the Daily Concepts Daily Detox Brush. Okay, you can use that one wet or dry, or an 11 by Venus jump rope. And I know everyone says jumping rope, not jump roping. Jumping rope is really good for you, except I'm an old lady and it really hurts my knees. And also I don't jump rope that well, but like I'm not gonna do it outside and I don't have anywhere to jump rope. Anyway, I'm glad I didn't get a jump rope. Alright, the next select thing is from Ciate London Extraordinary Translucent Powder. And I can't remember if I've ever tried anything from Ciate London. I feel like I had something from them at one point, but I don't know what it was. Was it maybe a lipstick? I don't know. This retails for $22. The secret to flawless makeup: use the lightweight, finely milled powder as the last step in your makeup routine for a crease-free, soft focus look. I'm not going to open it because I don't want to make a giant mess, but it has a sifter and it has really cute, they have really cute packaging. I do know that. The other things that might have come in place of the Ciate powder are the Two Bandits Athens necklace, which is an iridescent like bar necklace that retails for $30. Or the Sip by Swell water bottle, which retails for $19. And I don't like water bottles. Like, I know. Okay, so there are two things left. The first is from Show Me Your Moo Moo. And this is it's called the Show Me Your Moo Moo Brie Robe. This retails for $84. What? Okay, it's very pretty, and it's a lightweight spring robe, and it's one size. It's really pretty. This is a very cute spring robe. I actually love this. I'll definitely use this. I've been wearing my winter robe a lot, partly because I'm cold, but also it's just like cozy. So as we finally, hopefully, eventually get to warmer weather, I think that this will be great for that type of weather, and it's beautiful. This is a beautiful Amanda style pattern, and that looks to be that's the only pattern. It is hand wash only. Luckily my washing machine has a hand wash setting. The other options were a Dulux Demi backpack or an Unplug Meditation Aromatherapy diffuser, and the backpack's kind of cute. That's a lot for a backpack, $75. All right, and then the last thing is a pair of sunglasses from Key, Australia. There are two options, the Black Smoke or the Vivian, and these are Vivian. These are aviators, and I can't remember if I chose these or if I know I chose sunglasses, but I can't remember if I chose the style or let them surprise me, because I don't typically wear aviators. Do I look ridiculous? I like how dark the lenses are though. Because my goal in life, the lights look so weird. My goal in life is to have sunglasses so dark that I can roll my eyes behind the sunglasses and you can't tell. That's my goal in life. The other style is called My Girl. I think that's one of their most popular styles. I've seen that style a lot in Black Smoke or the Vivienne. They have so many. I kind of want the blue light ones, that the Desi Perkins ones, but I don't really want to spend $65 on clear sunglasses. How do I look? I feel like a police officer. I feel like these are too big for my face, and I like huge sunglasses. I love huge sunglasses. I want it to cover my entire face, but I feel like these are really big. Also, my ears are crooked. Don't judge me. Let me read the description. These oversized aviators feature a black metal frame, double bridge, and adjustable nose pads. I'm cool with these. The thing about aviators is because I always do this when I'm not wearing my sunglasses, and then I have to take my sunglasses off and take my hair out of the nose bridge part. So I usually wear just the solid frames that don't have that, but you know, I'll do these. Anyway, the other two options that were in here were the Sunny Life Lovers picnic set that includes 2 cutlery sets, 2 plates. That's super cute, but I probably wouldn't have used that. Or the Korres Wild Rose Vitamin C Brightening Sleeping Facial. And I have used this before and I do like it, but I have so much skincare that I'm trying to use up. I specifically didn't choose that, except I love that. That is a really good sleeping, like nighttime moisturizer, basically, like a heavy moisturizer. I love that. So yeah, I'm pretty excited about this box. This is the least exciting thing to me. Not because I won't use it, but I'm just, you know, we know how I am about hair. I just want shampoo and that's it. I also didn't need measuring spoons or another body lotion because we really have 1,000 of those. So if you guys get FabFitFun, let me know what you got in your box. I'm curious. I'm curious what some of the other mystery items were. That's interesting. I will have the FabFitFun link in the description box, both just the regular website and my referral link, not affiliate, referral link, listed down below. If you guys do get the box and you got your spring box already, let me know what you got in it. I'm curious. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. If you have any video suggestions or things you want to see from my channel, leave those in the comments as well. And I will talk to you guys in my next video.